Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Raichu from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw cheek. Draw another circle at the bottom for body. Connect the two circles at the right side. Draw another circle inside the circle which we drew for the body. Connect the cheek to the other side of the circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw nose. Draw mouth. Draw tongue. Draw cheek. Draw cheek. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Draw hand. Draw leg. Draw paws. Draw paws. Draw leg. Draw hand. Draw tail. Draw tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.